Welcome to Ample Blazes video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we're going to show you how to quickly update Google Chrome. Now, all you need to really do is go to the three dots up the top right hand corner. You can go out to Help and go to About Google Chrome. Click that. It will then take you to the page about Google Chrome. It'll tell you the version number, and if it needs to do an update, it will do it automatically. And you can see it's doing an update straight away for me. We got to 100%, and once it's finished, it will tell you the following: nearly up to date. Relaunch Chrome to finish updating. So we'll relaunch it. It is up to date now. Now, what you can do to find out what's new with the new version of Google Chrome that we've moved to this build, official build version 107.0.5304.122. Don't know where they get their version numbers from. It is big. So what I was going to show you is what's new with Google Chrome. So what we can do is we go to Help again, and we click What's New. And this page tells you what's new. So it talks about productivity. Get a productivity boost from organized tabs. You can click Try It Out. I'm not going to click anything here. Need to find your video chat tab. Find it with tab search. So up here you've got this arrow, and you've got your searches here. Search tabs. Then add passwords to Google Password Manager anytime you want. So this is just going to tell you what to do here. Normally you do it the old-fashioned way of going to the page, creating the password or logging in, and it will auto send you a notification up here to update and save it to Google Chrome automatically. So I think that way is better. This is just a manual way. And you've got more features on this page that you can go back in time and see how it's been updated. Please also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our video, and also like our Facebook page. Thank you for watching.